Welcome to the bustling world of modern manufacturing, where automated factories are the stage for a mesmerizing saga of efficiency and culinary artistry. Have you ever wondered how thousands of frozen pizzas are churned out each day? Picture this: amidst the rhythmic hum of machinery and the synchronized movements of automated systems, a magical transformation takes place. But how exactly do basic ingredients morph into those delectable pies that we crave? Join us on an exhilarating journey through this captivating process, from the humble beginnings of dough to the tantalizing finish of perfectly packaged pizzas. Are you ready to uncover the secrets behind the enchanting world of pizza production? Don't miss out on the captivating journey through the world of pizza production. Subscribe to Miss Chronicles for more engaging content like this, and hit the like button if you're ready to uncover the secrets behind the magic of automated factories. Let's dive in together and explore the fascinating world of culinary artistry. Crafting the dough. In every amazing pizza adventure, it all starts with making the dough. This first step happens in big automated factories, where the real magic of cooking begins. Imagine giant mixer machines, like powerful wizards, overseeing everything in the busy scene like guardians of cooking magic. They carefully mix ingredients like flour, water, yeast, and a mix of flavors, creating a perfect blend. These machines work with precision and skill, turning the ingredients into a smooth mixture and showing off the careful work put into it. This attention to detail isn't just by chance, it's the most important part of making pizza. This step creates the base that everything else will be built on. It's like the first scene of a big show, carefully planned to make sure each pizza base is just right, ready for the tasty journey ahead. Guiding the dough's journey. With the dough now expertly crafted, it embarks on a majestic journey through a labyrinthine network of conveyor belts, reminiscent of a grand odyssey through a bustling cityscape. Along the way, automated systems stationed at various intervals stand poised, their precision-engineered mechanisms ready to transform the dough into uniform orbs of perfection. Like the choreographed movements of a well-rehearsed ballet, these machines operate seamlessly, ensuring consistency in size and shape as they mold each dough ball with meticulous care. This intricate process, akin to the unfolding chapters of an epic saga, sets the stage for the subsequent acts in the captivating spectacle of pizza making, where precision and craftsmanship converge to bring culinary dreams to life. The dough's transformation. As the dough balls patiently await their turn for transformation, the factory floor becomes a bustling stage for a graceful ballet of precision. Some of these dough balls find themselves guided to tranquil alcoves, where they are granted a moment of reprieve to undergo a brief yet crucial period of fermentation. It's during this time that they are allowed to rest and rise, unlocking the full potential of their flavor profiles and infusing each with its unique essence. Meanwhile, other dough balls are delicately ushered towards specialized machines, their purpose clear to be gently pressed into uniform pizza bases. These machines, finely tuned to perfection, ensure that each base maintains an impeccable consistency in both thickness and texture, laying the groundwork for the culinary masterpiece yet to unfold. This intricate dance between fermentation and pressing is the cornerstone of pizza-making excellence, guaranteeing that every pizza base emerges as a pristine canvas, eagerly awaiting the flavorful symphony that is soon to ensue. Adding flavorful toppings. Now that the bases are meticulously prepared, it's time for the piece de resistance, the toppings. Here, advanced technology assumes the spotlight as machines deftly dispense precise amounts of vibrant tomato sauce onto each awaiting canvas. It's a symphony of precision as these machines ensure an even coating, laying the groundwork for the culinary wonders yet to unfold. But the spectacle doesn't end there. A veritable cornucopia of toppings awaits, ranging from savory meats to crisp vegetables, each chosen with care to tantalize the taste buds. As if guided by a master conductor, these toppings are delicately arranged atop the sauced bases, with each ingredient measured and distributed with meticulous precision. It's a true art form, this careful composition of flavors and textures, ensuring that every bite is a harmonious symphony of culinary delight. It's a testament to the craftsmanship and dedication that goes into every pizza, elevating it from a simple dish to a work of gastronomic artistry. The cheesy finale. No pizza could ever claim perfection without the crowning touch of a generous layer of shredded cheese, and within the confines of these automated factories, this final flourish is executed with an unparalleled level of precision and finesse. Picture it: specially designed machines, crafted with care and ingenuity, poised to sprinkle the perfect amount of cheese over each assembled pizza. With meticulous attention to detail, these machines ensure that every slice is adorned with a tantalizing blanket of gooey, melty goodness that promises to tantalize the taste buds and delight the senses. It's a symphony of flavor and texture, a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship that infuse every step of the pizza-making process. As the cheese melts into a golden cascade of indulgence, it elevates each pizza from a mere dish to a culinary masterpiece, ready to be savored and enjoyed by all who partake. Preserving pizza perfection. As pizzas prepare for their journey to distant locales, or for extended storage, a pivotal step emerges the process of freezing. Packaged pizzas, carefully assembled and adorned with flavorful toppings, embark on their chilly adventure, swiftly escorted into the embrace of blast freezers or tunnel freezers within the confines of these automated factories. Here, amidst the icy expanse, pizzas are subjected to rapid cooling, descending to freezing temperatures in a matter of moments. This transformative process serves a dual purpose. Not only does it extend the pizza's shelf life, granting them longevity for their travels or storage, but it also acts as a safeguard, locking in their freshness and flavor. Each pizza, frozen in time, becomes a culinary time capsule, ensuring that every bite, whether enjoyed upon arrival or months later, retains the same delicious essence as the first. It's a testament to the ingenuity of modern food preservation techniques, allowing pizzas to traverse vast distances or await their moment of consumption without compromising on quality or taste. And as these frozen delights await their destiny, they stand as a testament to the dedication and innovation that define the art of pizza making in the modern age. Wrapping up the delight. After undergoing the freezing process, the pizzas are handled with utmost care as they proceed to the packaging phase. Here, they are gently enveloped in a cocoon of protective layers, ensuring that their flavor and freshness remain sealed within until they reach their ultimate destination. Plastic film or shrink wrap is meticulously applied around each pizza, creating a barrier against external elements and preserving its quality. For those pizzas destined for cardboard boxes or cartons, the journey continues as they encounter automated machines poised to assemble and seal their protective enclosures. With deft precision, these machines spring into action, swiftly folding and securing the packaging around each pizza, ensuring that no corner is left exposed. It's a process of meticulous attention to detail, with every step aimed at safeguarding the integrity of the pizzas and ensuring they are ready for their journey into the world. And as the packaging is sealed, each pizza emerges as a culinary treasure, poised to bring joy and satisfaction to those who eagerly await its arrival. Celebrating the art of pizza making. As we relish each mouth-watering slice of pizza, let's take a moment to appreciate the teamwork of machines and chefs who bring this delight to our tables. It's a well-orchestrated process where the dough is mixed to perfection, shaped, and topped with precision. Machines spread tomato sauce evenly, add a variety of tasty toppings, and sprinkle just the right amount of cheese. After freezing and wrapping, each pizza is ready for its journey. So when you bite into a slice, remember the blend of technology and tradition behind it, making it a special treat to share with loved ones. As we wrap up this flavorful journey through the intricate process of pizza production, we invite you to savor the memories and insights gained along the way. From the humble beginnings of dough to the tantalizing finish of perfectly packaged pizzas, we've witnessed the fusion of technology and tradition in creating culinary delights. Are you craving more behind-the-scenes glimpses into the world of food production? Don't miss out on future episodes by subscribing to Chronicles. If you've enjoyed this exploration of the magic of automated factories, be sure to show your appreciation by hitting the like button. Until next time, may your pizzas be perfectly cheesy and your culinary adventures be ever delicious.